Hey everybody, thanks so much for joining me on Adventures with Niels. Today we are putting in on Lake Byllesby. I came here in the springtime and now we're coming in the fall. I didn't come in the summertime because it's very busy with boats, and apparently everybody else had the same idea as me today because there's a lot of boat trailers over there. It's a gorgeous fall day. We're gonna go see what it looks like with the fall colors. Let's go paddle. So I just wanted to show you, look at these trees. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness. This is the parking lot over here. So this is where you have to park your car. And I'm gonna flip this around. You will have to walk through here to get down to the boat landing. This is called Lake Byllesby Park. So there's a big pavilion over there. Then there is a big kids park over there. And the campground is just on the other side of the playground there. Should be some pretty colors out there on the lake today. I am so excited. Look at this, just stunning. The water is full of algae. Stunning colors out there. I'm excited to get over to that. Oh no. If you want to come here for a peaceful time like this, you definitely want to make sure you come in the spring or the fall when it's a little bit chillier and all the boats really aren't out on the lakes anymore, but otherwise this is swamped with boats. So this has all fallen down since the last time I was here, and it actually looks like it's really fresh. Yeah, it does. Fallen. Wow. That's pretty incredible. Hi, if you could all do me a favor, if you could hit that like and subscribe button, that'll really help me out to help my video get out to more people with the algorithm. Thanks so much. I appreciate you. Probably spiders in here. I'm gonna regret this. Yep, pretty sure. Ooh, I can see all the webs in this one. Gross. Spider! Oh, right. That was so funny. Oh, the colors here are just stunning. Oh, it's a danger, Tracy. It could fall at any time.
Living on the edge.
Living totally on the edge. My middle name is Danger. That is just wow. Jesus. Look at the root system on this tree. Still alive and beautiful. Growing on the rocks. You would have to lay down and touch the ceiling, and that is not something I'm willing to do. Because I see these little spiderwebby things here. No. Wow, very pretty and tall. Little baby mushrooms. They're so cute. Oh my goodness, they're adorable. There's two different kinds. Oh my gosh. It's like it got uprooted. I don't even know. For all of you who are waiting for the beaver scene, it will be coming up soon. All of the beauty that you've seen on this video is when you put into this lake, where you put in either a Good Hue or the park that we put in today. You'll stay on the left-hand side or the south side of this lake. That's where just all the rocks and the unique features and trees and stumps and just all this beauty is found on that left-hand side. Once you pass, there's like a little Boy Scout thing. If you're looking at your map, there's like a dock that comes out. That's when you're going to see this. It's pretty hidden. When the water is low, this can be really challenging to get back here, if you can get back here at all. And this is called Prairie Creek. It's absolutely beautiful. It's worth a trip up here. Wait till you see. And this is where we run into the beaver. No! No! Oh, Tracy. That's why it's stagnant. A tree fell and blocked it. Oh, it's just so pretty back here. Dang it. Oh! Oh! What is that? Oh my gosh, it's a monster! It's an otter! Oh! Oh, Jesus, let me get it on my camera. Look out, I'm gonna ram you, girl. Go backwards, go backwards, go backwards! Oh, let me get him, Lord, let me get him, let him. Or is it a beaver? That might be a beaver. All right, who's ready to hear some fun beaver facts? I thought so. Beavers are really territorial creatures. To mark their territory, they will wipe an oil that comes from their anal glands, and this is called castoreum. And this is a super sweet smelling oil, and for hundreds of years, they use this in food and drinks. Yummy. They build their homes, which are called dens, either in the sides of riverbanks or it will be in the middle of a lake. You might see a big dome made out of sticks and twigs. And either way, the only entrance to their dens is underwater. And this is to keep away predators. Their two front teeth are long and they are usually an orange color. And that's because there's a lot of iron in their front teeth. That makes their teeth so strong that they can cut into twigs and branches and very large trees. As you can see by this photo here, this is often what people will see left behind from beavers. They have to continue to gnaw away at things so that their teeth don't get too long in the front. Beavers are second to humans to be able to change their environment, and they do this by creating dams, which block up the water, which create wetlands for themselves. Look at this beaver, you guys. Oh my gosh, never have I ever. He is ginormous. This beautiful bird is called a Virginia rail. This is only my second time seeing them. Of course, I'm more on rivers than lakes. But these birds are related to coots, and they have some of the strongest legs in the whole bird kingdom. And they need those really strong legs to get through these reeds when they're running away from predators. They are abundant in swamps, apparently, so it is not a rare thing to see these. The saying, kind of a cool thing, a saying, skinny as a rail, actually came from this bird because when they run through the reeds, they'll actually squash themselves super duper skinny. So that's where that saying came from. And apologies about the bad filming here. I had to put this in because this bird was so beautiful, but this was done with an old camera that had a glitch in it until they fixed it, where it looked like you were filming it, but really in reality, everything got cut off. So apologies. I'll never be back to get a picture of this. I'm doing it. There's just such cool things on this tree. Wow. Look at all the roots from all these different things growing up above. It's messing with the color, unfortunately, underneath. So cool. I don't think I've ever seen anything like that. The ground is just lifted up